Hello viewers and welcome back to another edition of The Outdoor Chef. For dinner tonight, delicious Korean beef bibimbap. When you're on a week-long overland expedition across dusty roads and muddy trails, there's nothing better than ending the day with a nice hot meal with your friends. Some of the newer friends you make, well, you don't necessarily want them over for dinner.
There you go.
And of course, a nice cold beverage is also something you look forward to at the end of a long travel day. Dinner tonight is a favorite of mine. Easy to make, and you only dirty a pan and a pot. It's rich and meaty and fully satisfying. Like any good dish, we're going to start off with mincing a clove of garlic. Next, we want to take a carrot and julienne it into thin, bite-sized slivers. On this trip, my green onion didn't survive the whole way, but for this recipe, you want to thinly slice some green onion and also pickle slices of the white root end in vinegar for serving later. Take your zucchini and slice and quarter into bite-sized pieces. Because of the lack of green onion, I instead sliced some sweet onion to go into the vegetable mixture as a substitute. Preheat your frying pan and get some water on the boil, ready for the rice. We're going to start with the veggies and fry them with approximately 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add the zucchini, carrots, and mushrooms, but hold off on the garlic for now. Once the water is boiling, add the rice, cover, and reduce the heat to simmer. Stir and toss the vegetables until slightly softened. We want to retain some of the crunch and firmness. Add the minced garlic at this point and then cook for another minute or two, then set aside on a plate. In the same pan, add some more oil and the ground beef, breaking it up as you cook. On longer trips, I like to vacuum seal my meat into serving-sized bags as a way to keep organized. While the meat cooks, stir together a half a cup of Hoisen sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Once the ground beef is thoroughly browned, add the sauce mix and the veggies to the pan. Stir to coat. Once mixed, you're ready to serve over a bed of steamed rice. If you prepared the green and pickled onions beforehand, add half to the pan and save half to sprinkle over the plate when serving. If you like your food a little spicy, sprinkle on some Sriracha sauce to taste and you're ready to eat. After filling up with a hearty, delicious meal, sitting around the campfire with your friends is a perfect end to a long day. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.